Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of VTHO token VTHO, and I will tell you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration targets, and my next immediate short term targets for this token. And please watch this video complete, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. Friend, this is very important video because this is very important token, and I think this token will give you maximum gain, and I am sure on it. So please watch this video complete, and please thumbs up the like button too. This is the coin market VTHO token page, and here you can see it is currently trading at 0.006507 dollars and 8.27% decrease in 24 hours. This is the 24 hour lowest volume price. This is the 24 hour high price of this token. This is the website of this token VChain, and let me please tell you, this is token of VChain network, and once you click on this link, and this is the and reach at the website of this token, and this is the VChain website, and here you can see you can write white paper of this token. You can also see and read many information of these tokens. And if you want to download VTHO wallet, then you can go to then here you can download this. Let me please tell you some statistics of this token too. And here you can see these are the price statistics: 24 hour while price change, 24 hour low price, 24 hour high price, 24 hour trading volume, market dominance is 0.01, current rank is 131, and this is the market cap of this token, and this is the let me please show you some other statistics. This is the 7-day lowest price, this is the 7-day highest price, this is the 30 days lowest price, 30 days higher price, and let me please tell you, all-time low is of this token is 0.0001526, and it gained 4150% to its holder. And all-time high of this token is 0.04201, and it is decreased 84% right now. That is why I am saying that this is very good choice. This is very good token. If you want to invest, or if you want to buy, or if you want to trade this token, then trade or buy at your own risk, because cryptocurrency is very risky, and I will not responsible for any of your trading or purchasing loss or financial loss. About VTHO token price today is 0.006488 USD with the 24 hour trading volume. Here you can see the top exchanges the top exchanges for trading in VTHO token are currently Binance, Bitmark, MXC.com, LBank, BitTor. And if you want to trade VTHO token at Binance, or if you want to buy VTHO token, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to trade on Bybit exchange, and if you want to get $600 bonus absolutely free, then click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds, and after depositing these amounts you can get this $600 bonus. Let me please focus to the statistics. What is the VTHO token? VTHO token is one of the two tokens employed by the VChain Thor public blockchain. It is the part of the VChain Thor public blockchain. You can easily understand that it is the part of VChain blockchain. VChain was initially launched in 2015, but it went through a heavy rebranding process in 2018, while VChain token, that is the native token for the platform VTHO token, VHO plays an essential role in the overall functionality of the blockchain. That is why I am saying that this is very good token if you want to buy or hold for long term. Let me please show you the chart. This is the VTHO USDT one day Binance chart. It is currently at 0.006460, and all-time high of this is on Binance chart is 0.009027, and let me please show you the all-time low 0.000501, the all-time low. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for the VeThor right now. This is the support line. I think this is very good support for the VeThor right now, and I think let me please tell you my next target. I think VeThor have to hit this support zone again, and after that we may see a pullback and it will hit this. And after hitting this resistance zone, which is at 0.009014, then it have to go up and it have to break it. It should. And our next target will be this zone. It is at 0.012775. These are two targets I am looking and I am waiting for. These are currently two immediate short-term targets for me right now in VeThor token, VTHO. And let me please tell you my long duration and medium duration targets of this token. Please friends, stay in the video and please thumbs up the like button and share this video to all of your friends who hold with this token. And let me please tell you. I personally hold this token because I think this token will give you maximum gain, I think. This is not a financial advice, this is just my technical knowledge and my information about this token. So please buy at your own risk. I will not responsible any of your loss. Here you can see it is currently at 0.006460. And I think it have to hit this zone again, which is 0.00055380, and it is the golden pocket of the Fibonacci, and it is at 0.38. 0.38 to 0.61 are the golden is the zone of golden pocket, I think, and I think VeThor have to hit this 0.005380, and after that you can buy it. Or you can buy it from that point too. It is not very risky. You can, choice is yours. You can buy it on its current running price, or you can buy it from 0.0053. Let me please tell you how much potential and how potential this token have, and how much profit you can gain from this token. The perfect time or perfect zone is this. I think you have to buy or hold VeThor from 0.005327, and you have to put your stop loss at that point. I think this is very good trade, I think so. You have to put your stop loss at that point. It will give you, once it hit our first target, it will give you, let me please tell you. Once it hit golden pocket of this Fibonacci, it will give you 54% gain, and risk will be 55%. The risk is 55% because I think this token is going up, and this is very, very safe. That is why I am not very worried about this, and that's why this is a big stop loss, and it is at 0.002279. And after that, let me please show you the potential of this token. Definitely it have to hit this zone. Within 1 month, I think it have to hit this, and it will give you 300%, I am sure on it. And after that, let me please tell you, show you my medium duration target. The medium duration target of this token is that, and it will give you 900% gain within 6 months to 8 months in this bull run. I think this is the I think very realistic price prediction from me, and I think it definitely it have to hit this zone and will give you 900% gain within 6 to 8 months, and within I think within 1 year or within 1.5 year it have to hit this zone. 0.08 and it will give you 1400% profit. This is the target of 1.5 year or 1.5 to 2 years. This is the target of approximately 1.5 to 2 years, and I think it will have to hit this target within 1.5 to 2 years. This is the target. Currently I am holding this token and I am very sure that it will definitely going to hit this zone 0.05 and 0.08 within 6 months to 1.5 year. This is the target of without token for me right now. And if you want to trade without token or buy without token, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching. Please keep supporting me and please like this video too. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.